Papa, what is Agile?
And that made me stop and think. If a child can ask this question, the answer should be simple. Let me make you a promise that after this video, Agile will feel so simple that even a 3-year-old can understand it. And I'm not going to use any corporate jargon, no PPT, no slide deck. I'm just going to use a simple example for this video, that is a sweet shop. We all love sweets, right? Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Myself Sujit Thakur, and I have more than 15 years of experience in industry, and I've worked with many small, medium and large scale projects. And trust me, Agile is not complex, it's just very badly explained. So let's begin. Now imagine this, you're opening a new sweet shop and you are trying for a new laddu recipe for the first time. So will you start making 10,000 laddus on the first day? No, right? It's very risky. So what you will do? You start small, you make a very small batch, and then you give it to your friends, your family members to taste. They are going to be your beta testers. So they will be testing this laddu and provide you the feedback. Sugar is good, but your laddu are not soft. Laddu are soft, but the aroma can be improved. You take these feedbacks. So this feedback is gold for you. What you do? You discard this batch, you improve the recipe, you work on a new batch, and then you again share it for the testing. Once the feedback becomes positive, everybody is happy with your recipe, then you open the shop for everyone. Once the shop opens, you get more customers. More customers means more feedback means continuous improvement on your recipe. This is how exactly everything is built in Agile. Whether it's software, manufacturing product, anything. You start small, you take continuous feedback, you do improvement, and you keep launching the better version of your product in the market. So let's put a simple definition to it. Agile is basically a mindset. It's a way of working where you start small, learn fast, and scale safely. Instead of planning everything at the beginning, Agile continuously focus on learning and improvements. If Agile finally made sense, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you like to learn in the similar method, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated for the next videos. And in case of any question, doubt or suggestions, go ahead, put it in the comment and I'll respond to each and every comment. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, Papa.